After the 2024 iPad Pro turned heads with its sleek form factor and dazzling OLED display, the next chapter in Apple's tablet story is just around the corner, and it's bringing something powerful with it, the M5 chip. So, what makes this upcoming iPad Pro different? It's not a dramatic redesign. In fact, Apple seems to be sticking to the design language they introduced last year: thin, light, and premium. The focus this time is under the hood, where performance takes center stage. At the heart of the new iPad Pro is the M5 processor, Apple's latest leap in chip technology. While official specs are still under wraps, analysts are confident that Apple is fine-tuning performance and power efficiency to new heights. The M5 is expected to build on the M4's foundation but bring more horsepower where it counts, especially in graphics. That means smoother rendering, faster video processing, and better performance in demanding creative apps. Whether you're editing high-res content, running pro-level workflows, or gaming on the go, this tablet is built to keep up without breaking a sweat. But it's not just about speed. Power efficiency is a major priority. Apple's custom silicon continues to improve with each generation, and the M5 is expected to strike an even better balance between power and battery life. Long work sessions or content binges? You're covered without scrambling for your charger. The display? Apple's not messing with success. The stunning tandem OLED screen is likely staying, offering vivid visuals, deep blacks, and incredible contrast. It's a display that has earned praise from artists, designers, and media pros alike, and it's not going anywhere. Apple seems to be refining, not reinventing. The ultra-thin design introduced with the previous generation is expected to stick around. It's portable, stylish, and engineered for people who need to carry their workflow everywhere. When will it launch? Word on the street is that the new iPad Pro is already in late-stage testing, with production ramping up later in the year. That sets the stage for a release sometime in late 2025, or possibly early 2026. Apple tends to keep its product calendar tight, especially when multiple big launches like a rumored M5 MacBook Pro are in the mix. On the pricing front, don't expect much to change. The entry-level 11-inch model will likely start near $999, while the larger version could run close to $2,000. Still, pricing could shift depending on market trends, supply issues, or global trade conditions. So, who's the M5 iPad Pro really for? If you already own the M4 and it's handling your tasks just fine, this might not be a must-have upgrade. But if you work in video, 3D design, digital illustration, or just want the absolute best tablet performance on the market, it could be the device that elevates your workflow. Plus, it'll likely ship with the latest version of iPadOS, giving users access to new tools and features designed to make the most of the upgraded hardware. Bottom line, Apple's not trying to reinvent the tablet, they're refining it. The M5 iPad Pro looks to continue the company's tradition of blending cutting-edge tech with sleek design and a polished user experience. We'll be watching closely as more information rolls out. Stay tuned for the official reveal and early reviews to get the full picture of what Apple's next-gen iPad Pro has in store. Got thoughts or questions about what's coming? Drop them below, we'd love to hear your take.